Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Pop That Culture, only on CIB24.com. I'm your host, Patrick John Murray. If you break it, you buy it. The pharmaceutical company Actavis has stopped production on their brand of cough syrup with codeine. Rapper Soulja Boy expressed his concern, claiming to have been on the juice since 2011. But the person I'm most concerned about is Justin Bieber's father, who had to explain to him why he didn't get his bedtime story anymore. I pray to God every day. And now for an unavoidable little segment I like to call Sports. A look at the top stories in sports from someone who doesn't watch or understand them. The LA Clippers owner Donald Sterling definitely put the in sports by spewing out some 1940s era racist garbage on a recorded conversation with his 20-year-old girlfriend. His first response was to release a statement saying he had heard the tape on TMZ Sports and didn't know if it was legitimate or altered. Here's a quick way to figure that out. If you have to take even a second to remember if you said you don't want to see your girlfriend associating with black people or see them at your games, then you said it for sure. A seemingly endless lineup of celebrities have released statements against Sterling, but so far none as great as Snoop Dogg's. If you'll indulge me. A message to the motherfucker that owns the Clippers. You ass redneck white bread chicken shit you. Yo mama and everything connected to you. You racist piece of you.
I'ma have to let him go. You know how to dog roll.
That's it for Sports. Sports. Transgendered activist and actress Laverne Cox was left off of Time magazine's most influential list even after garnering the second most online votes through Time magazine's website, which does beg the question, what is the point of the online vote? But speaking of Orange is the New Black, Chris Brown is still in jail. So Orange is the New Black and Brown is bent over and covered in white. Cream. In other LGBTQEIEIO news, Jodie Foster married her longtime girlfriend Alexandra Hedison. Now, if anyone can remember the Golden Globe speech, I'm sure Jodie Foster's vows were about as interesting as Laura Linney's birthday party. And our final culture I'd like to pop is one I must say I'm hesitant to discuss because it may end in the next 5 minutes. But rumor has it that George Clooney is engaged. George Clooney has apparently proposed. Now, I'm not saying it won't happen, but I would sooner trust Sarah Palin's abortion clinic over George Clooney's diamond. Am I right, ladies? Thank you for watching Pop That Culture on CIB24.com. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, as well as subscribe to both our YouTube and Daily Motion channels. I'll see you next time.